Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for how to show view count on Instagram Reels, then you are at right place. So if you go to Instagram Reels tab, you can see the view count is not showing here. So in order to turn it on, simply you have to click here on these three lines and then you have to click on business tools and controls. And then you have to scroll down and here you will see view counts on profile, and here you have to turn it off. Now click on your profile. As you can see, now view count is showing. So in this way you can show view count on Instagram Reels. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.